All right, this is one of the elevators at the Ikea in Schaumburg. There's the external one. This is the boring one. Oh, there's a third floor. Let's go to Trace. That's interesting.
This is the Montgomery Kone.
Yep, that indicator too. There's the address.
It sounded like a girl screaming.
Oh, it's kind of slow. Or there's just a lot of space between floors, which could be.
Alright.
Go ahead and send it down to 1. That door close will probably work on this because it's a Montgomery Kone. Yep. And there's the other one. Oh yeah. This is a 3-floor Ikea.
I like the one in Canton.
Yep. And Canton doesn't have any little internal ones. ADA compliant phone. I like that chime on the indicator, the old Montgomery chime.
Should the button go out?
Slow. Out of curiosity, yeah, the 3 and the 2 buttons are brighter. I just want to see what that would look like. Interesting that you can lock out all 3 floors. There's key switches for all of them.
Maybe they lock them out at night.
Maybe they turn this one off sometimes. Go ahead.
You want to get them?
Sure.
Right here.
It's already here.
Oh, we're gonna have an epic motor.
Have you been on this one before?
Yep.
All right, let's take a listen. Big glass elevator. Here we go. No people, no people, no
80,000
people.
pounds.
Perfect. Go ahead and send it right back down to
You can
1.
set it down. I said it up last time.
Big bump. All right. I'll tell you what, if the other elevator's still at 1, we could do a race. I'll take that one up and you can take this one.
Yeah, we gotta end the video on 3 anyway. Unless someone
All right.
is on the elevator.
Well, I'll tell you what, if no one's called it at 1 and the other one's still here, I'll take that one up, which I'm going to lose because that one's slow as hell. And if there's no one here, God, they're both slow. The other one was slower. Nope. All right, if the other one's here, you want to come with me?
I'll take the glass one.
All right, I will take, if it's still there.
I don't think it's there.
I think it is. I heard a chime. Go ahead and wait a second. Oh, yep, it is. All right, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna lose this. We are gonna lose this bad. This is the slower one. What's nice is that most people were taking that one, so if he stops on 2, we got it. Oh, I should have jumped out on 2 and stopped his. He would have seen it though. I think we're gonna lose this one. This one is slow as piss, as we found out. All right, hurry up. Oh my God, open. I think we won by like
Might have been a tie.
0.5 seconds. That was a tie. Well, anyways, there's, actually, let's send this one down real quick. We can watch it. Send it down to 2. Ikea seemed to be good about filming. There goes that one. And here. And there you go. What brand are these? These are Montgomery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web at isaac24.com. Bye-bye.